Good morning students. I am S.K. Tiwari TGT Mathematics from Kendriya Vidyalaya Masrak. Students, today I am going to teach you class 6 Mathematics of chapter Knowing Our Numbers. Students, before start our chapter, I want to discuss the teaching learning points. First point, students will be able to learn and understand counting numbers as natural numbers. Second, they will be able to learn and understand large and small numbers. Third, they can compare the numbers. Fourth, they can arrange the number in ascending and descending order. Fifth, they can be able to find the successor and predecessor of the numbers. 6. They will be able to understand 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. 7. They can expand the number. 8. They will be able to know and understand the Indian place value chart and international place value chart. 9. They will be able to estimate the number, that is, estimations of the numbers will be known by them. And 10 is they will be able to learn, understand the BODMAS rule, BODMAS, BODMAS rule for fundamental operation of the mathematics. And 11th point is they will be able to write Roman numeral for Hindu Arabic numerals. Students, we can also see that there are some topics and definitions which are already we have to discuss. In earlier classes, you have added, subtracted, multiplied and divided the numbers. So, since our childhood, we are using numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. to count and calculate. These counting numbers are called natural numbers. The number 0 together with the natural numbers gives us the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, which are called whole numbers. So clearly every natural number is a whole number, but 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number. So we can say that all the natural numbers are the whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Now I want to define digits. So you see this. In order to represent any number, we use 10 symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 10 symbols are called digits or the figures. Next, numeral. A group of digits denoting a number is called numeral. Now, notation. The method of representing a number in digits or figures is called notation. Numeration. The method of expressing a number in words is called numeration. Now students, it is very clear that before a start I want to also discuss the method of numeration, because this is the fundamental thing. Without numeration we cannot write and read and write any digits or any numbers. So we are very clear to understand there are two commonly used method of numeration. First is the Indian system of numeration, while second in the international system of numeration. So first you see the Indian system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, it has groups or the periods. So from the right side you can see that there are first period, which is called as ones. In ones period there are three places: ones, tens and hundreds, while from right side second period is thousands. So there are two places, 1000 and 10,000. The third period from the right side, it is lakhs, and places are 1 lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now next is the crore period, and in the crores period there are two places, 1 crore and 10 crores. Last the period is Arabs, and 1 Arab and 10 Arabs, but it is very clear that it is not in used. So you have to only understand the ones, thousands, lakhs and crores period and their places. Now next is our international system of numeration. In international system of numeration, it is little bit different than the Indian place value chart. In first period from the right is ones, and places are ones, tens and hundreds. Next from the right is thousands. There are three places, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Next from the third one period is millions, and in millions there are three places, 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. Next from the right side is billions, 1 billions, 10 billions and 100 billions. So like this one you can numerate, that is you can use this Indian and international place value chart. Students, we see the our textbook, and in textbook you can see that we can count objects in large numbers. For example, the number of a student in the school, the number of a student in your class, and it can be represented through numerals. We can also communicate large numbers using suitable number names. So by knowing the number names, it is most essential that you should have to know the system of international and system of Indian place value chart. So generally the system of international is not used, but system of Indian place value chart we used usually. Now it is very clear to understand the number, and by knowing this number, question is that how we can compare the numbers. So for the comparing of the numbers, it is most essential that we should have to learn and understand the specific digit, place and period, and this place and period can be understand by our Indian place value chart. As for example, you can see if it has written 92, 392, 4456, 89742. In this series or sequences, if anyone is asking that which is the greatest, which is the smallest, then what you will do? First of all, you see that in the left side of the written the numeral, what digit is containing in the number. Suppose I example already explained to you. In this example, the largest digit can be obtained as 89742, while the smallest will be 92, because there are only 2 digits in 92 while 5 digits in 89742. If the number of the digits is more, obviously that number will be greater, and if the number is less, On such cases we can say that number will be smaller. Now by using this such type of concept, you can compare the numbers, and by comparing you can find that which one is the smallest and which one is the greatest. Now you see one activity. Suppose you are in class, and your classroom there are 4 students: Ramhari, Dolly, Mohan and Sasi. You can see in figures, Ramhari is 160 centimeter, Dolly is 154 centimeter, Mohan is 158 centimeter, Sasi is 159 centimeter. So by seeing them, you can find that which one is the greater in height and which one is the smaller in height. In greater, you can see that 160 centimeter Ramhari is having. So Ramhari will be greater in height, while the 154 centimeter is Dolly. So obviously Dolly will be smallest in the height. Question is that how we can arrange the number. So there are two ways, two methods to arrange the numbers. One is known as the ascending order, while another is the descending order. As ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest, and in descending order means arrangement from the greatest to the smallest. So arrange the following numbers in ascending order. You can take the example 847 9754 8320 571. Very easily we can arrange in ascending as well as in the descending order. Now a student, you can see the predecessor and successor of the number. So successor of any number can be found by the adding 1 into that number, and predecessor can be found by subtract 1 from the given number. So very easily, if anyone is asking that what is the successor of 99, obviously your answer will be 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. If anybody is asking what is the predecessor of 100, so 100 minus 1 you can get down 99. This is the predecessor of 100.